and I caught a giant. It's huge. I mean, it's gigantic. I mean, like it's 7, 8 pounds. Oh, I mean, no joke. I have to get in the water for this one. Okay. Here we go. Come here, buddy boy. Okay. Let's go! Let's go! Look at the size of this fish! Look at the size of this fish! Okay, I'm gonna go bring this into some light. Let you guys see it. But this fish is gigantic. Oh, he's bleeding. Oh, wait, no, he's not. That's me. Ow, freak dang, boy. Jeez, I can't get the hook out of this guy. Stay here, buddy boy. Stay with me. Jeez, the size of this guy's mouth is gigantic. Finally, okay. Throw my pole over there. I'll bring you guys here with me. Come here, buddy boy. Holy crap, this guy's heavy. Holy Bismack. Oh, okay. Oh, you guys can't see him. Look at the size of this fish. Look at the size of this. You guys still can't see me. Look at the size of this fish. I'm gonna give you guys a guess in the comments. I don't know how big it is. I'm going, what, 7 pounds? The guy's huge. He's huge. I wish I could measure him or weigh him or something. This guy's huge. I'm gonna give you guys a full glance of him. Stay with me here, buddy. Okay. Here he is. Here's the bass. Look at the chunk. Look at this bass. He's bigger than my head. Most bass are bigger than my head. This is my arm length. This is the bass. About the length of my arm. The guy's huge. He's gigantic. Look at that mouth. Look at the size of that mouth. He's a big bass. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys down somewhere so you guys can see the epic release. Oh, dang it, he pooped on me. I don't care. Ah! Okay. Ow, freaking one of his spines went into me. Okay, let's see this guy's release. Go on, buddy boy. Here he goes. I don't know if you guys can still see him. He's right there. He's still at the top of the water. That was a giant fish. Still going. Come on, buddy, go. And there he goes. That was a big fish. Definitely one of the biggest bass I've ever caught. One of the biggest fish I've ever caught.